Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So now that we are deep into summer, one of the plants that you're going to notice everybody loves, it's an early summer plant, but it's starting to fade out, is your Agapanthus. So by now you'll probably notice most of your Agapanthus, the blooms are starting to kind of fade out like this. You're getting a lot of these little seed pods that are starting to form, and this is just the normal life cycle of the plant. So people ask all the time, what should I do now? It depends on kind of how you want to treat the plants. So first off, in order to set these seeds, what's happening is the plant's done its bloom cycle, it's setting these seeds, it's getting ready to go dormant. It's just part of the everyday life. It takes a lot of energy to do that. By setting these seeds, you know, it's going to set all these, and a handful of them will actually fall to the ground, fall into the dirt, they'll reproduce, and they'll actually create additional plants, if you will. A lot of people aren't interested in that, so you've got basically two options. This is a pretty unsightly look with the little seed heads hanging and you've got the little spikes and all. A lot of people don't like that. So what you can do is while they're still green and while the stalks are still standing, I'm going to show you real quick. All you do is just go down to the base of the plant and go ahead and cut the plant, or cut the actual bloom stem down low towards the base of the plant. Just cut it, use your pair of hand snips, just discard and throw away the actual stem. The other option, if you're wanting these little seed pods to set and you're wanting them to fall, or maybe you like the look of these, you can actually wait here over the next couple of weeks. Once they completely drop all their seed pods, this whole stalk is going to start to dry out and it's going to start to look dead. And in a couple of weeks, you'll actually be able to come out here and you'll be able to grab a hold of this and you'll be able to pull it out of the plant, and then you can throw it away then. So either way, it doesn't matter. It's not bad for the plant. Most people prefer to just go in and just snip the stalks away now that it's not blooming, just so you don't have to look at all this. It's also a good time while you're in there to go ahead and clean out all of the dead leaves. You know, over time these will kind of fall to the bottom, they'll die. You can just pull all that dead out, just discard it as well. So just a little proper maintenance for your Agapanthus. They're very hardy. Remember that they are fairly drought tolerant. Agapanthus is grown from a bulb. So if you overwater them, you could actually run into a case or a situation where the bulb will start to rot if it's sitting in water all the time. So be careful not to overwater as we get real hot, and just sit back and enjoy them. They're pretty easy, and they pretty much take care of themselves, other than just this one time a year maintenance. If you got any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.